Ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Are you looking for help in terms of unleashing your creativity? Alright? Are you looking for assistance or just a helping hand to coax yourself, to figure out ways to be more creative in terms of making delicious meals that are 100% plant-based? Then look no further, alright? This class is for you. I will show you tips, tricks. I will help you with knowledge in terms of what to do with certain ingredients, how to make them look better, alright? How to present these different plates. We're gonna be doing 4 dishes, alright? An overnight oat, chia pudding, a quinoa salad, and a tasty vegetable sandwich made with some freshly made pesto. You will not want to miss this class, alright? So stay tuned and don't forget, sign up is thechefandtheweightmaker.com.